Well, good evening, everybody. This is Matthew Evans here with a quick recap on this afternoon and evening's weather events. Just southeast of the intensifying low pressure system in Iowa, there was a cluster of strong and severe thunderstorms that developed into northern Illinois and produced some strong wind gusts, actually 60 to 80 miles per hour, that was reported in isolated spots around 2 o'clock, just west and north of the Chicago area. And additional storms also developed from Indianapolis to Lansing, producing 40 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts in isolated spots. And there was even a few reports of trees or tree limbs down in Eaton County, Michigan, which is just to the northwest of Lansing, I believe. And a few warnings were issued there, and also into parts of southeastern Michigan, such as Lenawee and Livingston and Washtenaw counties, as a few storms might have mixed down some stronger wind gusts. But I don't know of any severe reports at this time, at least to my knowledge. Then about 7 o'clock p.m. this evening, a strong storm came northeastward from northwest Ohio and possibly produced some strong winds and hail in the areas such as Blissfield and Dundee and maybe in Carlton, Michigan. Again, no confirmed reports of severe weather yet, to my knowledge, but Monroe was not impacted by any of these storms directly. This stormy weather pattern was due to a large and fairly strong low pressure system in southern Wisconsin. Well, actually, it came from the Pacific Ocean a few days ago as a mid-level disturbance, but it progressed eastward and northeastward and developed into a surface low with an attendant warm and cold front. The system was driving a low-level jet, which is basically very strong winds to low levels from anywhere from a couple thousand, about 1,000 feet up to about 8,000 feet up. But the winds in that layer was about 50 to 70 miles per hour, which helped to aid in gusty winds at the surface, as well as the isolated severe weather, because the storms that developed tapped into that strong layer of winds and helped to tap down or bring some of that winds down to the surface in isolated spots. Temperatures made it up to 72 this afternoon at Monroe-Custer Airport, so it didn't move too much from the temperature at 7 o'clock this morning of 68, just after the warm front moved through. Now tomorrow you can expect a bit of sunshine at times, a bit of cloud cover at times as well, and maybe a couple sprinkles, but nothing too big. The cold front will have cleared through the area by tomorrow afternoon, so highs should only reach the mid-50s, so definitely cooler than today. But there will still be a little bit of a west to northwest breeze at times, so keep that in mind. Well, thanks for tuning in to this video update, and have a great Monday, everyone, if possible.